It's always, for me, just refreshing to be back home. The courts, they feel different, but I like the way they feel. You know, they have a little bit more bounce to them, but it's beneficial for me the way I play. So I really like the feel of them and the look of the place.
The court feels different, but it doesn't really take much to get used to. Me and Randy have been training here, so I think we're already used to it now, and we're expecting the rest of the team coming tomorrow. So very, very, excited to see them, and yeah, I think we'll be good, because we're used to the environment and everything, and they're not. So I think definitely we have the advantage over them.
Blaze is competing, he's match ready. John, same thing. The other guys are ready to go. I think everybody's been, focused on this event for a while now, so everybody's going to come in ready to play.
Chris, we had an early session with these guys. How are they looking and how are things so far?
The boys are looking good. Randy looked sharp this morning. Danny looked sharp. Basically, we're just working on some reaction, just trying to fire up the muscles and make sure the fast twitch muscle is ready to go to battle on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay. Now, clearly these guys were elsewhere working, playing matches. You think that they were prepared enough coming in with so few days left?
Yeah. The thing we just got to manage the recovery, which is going to be very important to make sure we stretching, we hydrating, and making sure that everybody just eating properly, getting enough carbs in the body so your body on fuel all the time and not in a starvation mode.
The conditions are quite different from Estonia because the weather is much more warm. In Estonia it's very cold, and otherwise I like it because I prefer hot weather. So.
Okay, and how are the courts?
The courts are new, quite rough and bouncy, but now we're getting used to it, so they're quite good.
And for your players, what's the mood like in the camp?
Oh, our mood is good. We have good chemistry with each other. We're like a big family. We talk, we share everything with each other, so it's perfect.